Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and I'm just trying to straighten you up a little bit, get you back in there. I think my camera's a bit crooked, so I'll turn you around. There we go. You see before you a chunk of, what's it called? Hot paper, I call it, plastic, and I'm going to put some paint on this and do a reverse flip. I haven't done one like this before, so this is going to be fun. And what I did, because I'm going to be using a record on here, I've drawn around the record, so I sort of know where to put the paints. And I think I might start off with red, and I'm just going to do this. I kind of have an idea what I would like the pattern to look like, so I'm hoping that it knows what I want. And I have red, green, yellow, 2 shades of blue, which are pretty much close, and white and black, and go over the edges. But when I put the record on it to squish it down, these paints will probably splurge out. Right, and some green. Trying to sort of hit the bits in between where I've got colour. Oops, stand up please. Some yellow. There is there. That'll be good. And I don't know that I put this one on yet. As you can see, it's almost the same, but not quite. Around the edges. And some white. There's heaps of paint on there, heaps and heaps and heaps. And the black is in my little squeegee bottle. And here's hoping it comes out. Let me give him a shake. Yeah. So I just want him to do that. Go in that hole. That's it. Now I've got OGX in all of the colours except this black and white, so I'm starting to see little cells. Okay, so here's number 1. And he's on. As you can see, it's splurt out. Give it a minute. And lifting up. Wow. Whoa, that is lovely, isn't it? And doesn't want to drip, which is pretty good, but he can just sit there for a second because I'm going to flick these colours back on so as not to waste them. Let's see what happens. Right, and I'm going to some more white. And maybe a bit more red. I haven't got a lot of red left. There's some blue, yellow. Blue, she says, and picks up yellow. That's clever. Out you come. And I'm going to put some more black over there as well. Okay, so come here, squeegee bottle. Right. And I might even wipe my hands off. Drop. And splurge. Oh. Lifting up. Oh yes. This one's just as pretty. Just going to see if he wants to dribble off a little bit. And that one there isn't as pretty as that one, but that's okay too. I'm going to do this. If I've got any more black, come out. Right, I do not. So, I can do it with blue, I think. Right. And then I'll just move it around a bit. What I do have is those lovely colours, don't I? So where's my decor? This is what I was looking for. And just, it's like a ribbon pull with a difference. Look at those colours. And I've got some on here. Come around this side to get these. Should have checked to see if you guys can see what I'm doing here. You'll see in a second. Okay, so as you saw, I was scraping the colours off there and putting them on here. So now I want to just run them back off again. Sometimes I wonder why, but this is coming up so pretty. Oh yes, and over that way. So what am I going to do here? I am going to cover that with, I don't know what. Alright, let me do this. Take this off. Just so I can fold it over at least. Okay, we're getting there. Okay, so now I can bring these chaps over. One there. Now go up. You can get covered over too. And you, my pretty, come here. Now, can you people see? Oh yes. All right. Now I'm just going to wipe my hands off and give these a little torch. With that and the torch. The recipes for these paints and pouring medium you'll find down under the video under show more, and I'm not fussed on that bit big. Gross. I need some paint. Come here, pretty colours. Yeah, the recipes for the paints and the pouring medium you will find under show more below the video. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come across and join us there. And is that red? Of sorts. Okay. That colour didn't work out too well, but it's okay now. Still trying to for the yellow, sort that out. I'm not too fussed about this one piece. More as it should. Alright, and what was I saying? Oh yes, my Facebook group, Australia Art Dreaming. You'll find a link to that below show more as well, and I'll bring you down to show you these. I might turn them this way to show you so that I'm not standing in the light of the doorway. Hand wiping. I don't want to touch my camera with gooey hands. And I like these too, they're really very pretty. If you haven't already, subscribe, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. This is the first one. As you can see, it's quite busy, really pretty. Got some nice cells. Nice bright colours. Yes, I like that one, very pretty. And this one over here is equal. This is the second one that I just sort of scraped up the paints. So this is good, you get 2 for 1. So alright, thank you very much for watching, people. Please give this the thumbs up, I do appreciate that. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.